Hello and welcome to the KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub. This video will help guide you through the Cyber Hub Pro portal and show you how to navigate and use its unique features to meet your privacy, security, and compliance management needs. Be sure to first watch our Cyber Hub intro video to see how to set up your profile and basic navigation. Let's take a few minutes to explore your new Cyber Hub Pro account. Let's start by looking at the event schedule. If you click on the event schedule button, it will bring you a drop-down menu that says My Calendar. By clicking My Calendar, it will bring you to your calendar where you can conveniently set up your meetings and appointments. You can view your calendar in both a monthly and weekly view. To book an appointment or meeting, you click the Add Appointment button at the top left corner, which then brings you to a page where you can conveniently select a date and time that works for your schedule. This feature will allow you to book appointments with an advisor from our team and get the assistance that you need. By clicking on the NPO Library button, it brings you to our NPO Pro Plan Library features, which includes additional documents including templates, self-assessments, and checklists to help your organization with developing and implementing your privacy and security program. For example, if your nonprofit organization conducts virtual meetings or appointments using teleconferencing softwares or apps, you will want to review the toolkit for managing privacy during virtual visits. Guides like this have been created by the KnowledgeFlow team to assist nonprofits of all sizes in many public sectors. The NPO project section is where you can see your privacy and security project management dashboard. Under Projects in the drop-down menu, you will see a complete list of all of your current and pending projects assigned to your organization. By clicking on the specific project title and then on Tasks, you will be able to view all of your related project tasks and deadlines. Pro Plan members are able to assign team members to a project and have them assigned to specific members. Be sure to have your colleagues and peers join the Cyber Hub to enhance your team collaboration. Your own tasks can also be viewed and tracked across multiple projects by clicking on the My Task button in the drop-down menu of the navigation bar. To add a task, you click the Add Task button, in which then you can input the title and description of the task. Additional features in the nonprofit organization project section include project-specific file storage, and also a client chat function. This function enables project-specific questions and comments between you and the Cyber Hub team. The KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub team wants to ensure that our users are provided with support when they need it. Our Help and Support button in the blue navigation bar to your left is just one click away and gives you access to an inbox communication platform where you can directly contact us and get the assistance that you need. Congratulations on completing the tour of the Cyber Hub Pro account features. Be sure to book your initial consultation meeting with one of our Cyber Hub advisors. The KnowledgeFlow Cyber Hub is your one-stop portal for nonprofit privacy compliance and security program management. Bye for now.